Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase training engagement with Udemy Business, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, understand the primary goals of your training program. Identify the skills and knowledge gaps within your organization. Analyze feedback from previous training sessions to pinpoint areas for improvement. Next, leverage Udemy Business's extensive course library. Browse through the various topics and find courses that align with your training needs. Consider the backgrounds and learning preferences of your employees. Select diverse content to cater to different learning styles. Once you've curated your course selections, create a clear training plan. Communicate this plan effectively to your employees. Share the benefits of participating in the training program. Encourage team discussions around course content to foster engagement. Set achievable goals for completion and mastery of the courses. Incorporate regular check-ins and progress tracking. Use gamification features from Udemy Business to keep learners motivated. Introduce leaderboards and rewards for course completion. Promote a culture of continuous learning within your organization. Encourage employees to share their learning experiences with peers. Utilize feedback tools to gather insights on course effectiveness. Make adjustments to your training strategy based on this feedback. Finally, celebrate successes and recognize learners' achievements. This approach will help to create a more engaging and effective training environment with Udemy Business. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.